Isaiah James. I saw Jacqueline. Norma Willocks is late to church. Where's Norma?
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to the video gonna be extreme, no jokes. So subscribe if on the first time. So Pastor Kevin O. Smith from the Pathway International Church video leak with him, behind, prison custody, said we're in a jail. Yes, in the station. So right now, guys, we're gonna share that video there. Plus there's an video with him. I collect late dues at church, John.
Rapture is the reaping. No, but you said 9 o'clock you have open at the heart. Rapture is raptus, which is rape, torture. That is what the rapture is. I come with salvation. I do not come to rape my people of their freedom, of their breath. You have to pay in this nation to walk your footprint, carbon footprints. If you march in this nation, you must pay. If you breathe in this nation, you must pay. Do you not understand that Pharaoh has built his great house and he is stepping on your necks? Pharaoh tried to bring me down, but I am that I am. All you people of the world, I came to you in this form. I am small soil, born in Glengorf, Victoria, the year of jubilee and victory. What happened? Oh, hospital, mat. They made my life a mat. I suffered, I bled. Look at this night when I came to call all of my sheep, the stray sheep from the 12 tribes and nation. The thunder comes, the cloud comes, and the rain comes. But you did not believe my report. I am the fountain of life. I am the Catherine Peak. I come from St. Catherine. That's why you gave me water from where I come from. St. Catherine, Jamaica is where I was born. I have fulfilled all things. At the age of 9 years old, the angel of the Lord came and spoke to this body and asked me if I will give the eternal yes. I have given the eternal yes. I came as Jonah the Warner. But they mocked me and they scoffed me. They surrounded me and they looked at me and said, who is this man? Because man, God was tabernacled in man, seed of men. I carried the government. All right, those of you who are late this morning, can I have the late book? I know all who was here from this morning. Is that this one? Put it in this. How many of you were late? $200 can pay for the whole of your Jingman family. I'm going to start calling out names. I don't see Paula. You will come to me then. Arlene Martin, Palmer Ridge area. Isaiah James. I saw Jacqueline. Norma Willocks is late to church. Where's Norma? Norma, I need to talk to you. Is either you find a new man? So why are you not coming to church no more? You have fixed fence when you should be at church.
Alright people, so that video right now for the news about sher implant make she could get a successful carriage, but I make sure you tell him.
Ear no fit me, clothes no fit me. Me if I call Poocha friend, I say my friend bad to bad. Remember say me is a girl a beer tight clothes, me wear beer but you a beer tight fish up in the front. Nothing now fit me, nothing now work out. I say Poocha do me make send me look clothes. Cause me fear hide the belly from the people and me come in my shop cause you know the people them fast. Everybody come here, sure you look so pregnant, hear me now? No. Come on, keep it a secret. I just want to drop my belly for my birthday card to me excited, you know. Me excited to show all of my friends them and say, look there, look what they me and talk about breed and I come so boop so one go got this drop a mango in my lap. I'm not going to need no mango tree. You understand? But they shop now every day I work, but this is what I never know. I always hear people say you can't jump and flick and boom split and nothing and the baby. Me, got work, stand up on my foot right through every day. Every day, I dip on my foot, see me. Nah rest, nah sit down, nah do nothing. Not knowing that it will lead to the miscarriage. Poochie, you can't tell me nothing. My nose spread like no other art booked. Me now ask you, and it's right here so the whole of my head side peel out. And them time they me now wear no lace wig. So what the whole of my hairline gone? The whole of my face look like Greta Pan. Bump up, stay about everything, my head picky. My pregnancy did mash me up. My pregnancy mash me up. Poochie, come on for my life. Stop coming for my life. I'm gonna stop answering and tell the people my story. Because you all tell me me didn't I?
Alright, I want to talk to you, Sher. Sher Luxury Doll. Part of the video is for you. Me watch your video last night, right? And it brought tears to my eyes. And I shared a little snippet of your video because the reason why I share like a snippet of your video because I hate when people cuss other women, especially women, cuss another woman over them not being able to have a child. Tell them say them barren, them a mule and all of these things. Me hate it. Because the thing is, a lot of us, we don't understand what a woman goes through when they're unable to conceive or whenever they miscarry. Right? We don't know. Right? Because sometimes this is caused by illness. Sometimes this is caused by some sort of complication. Right? So I'm always going to be an advocate for these women. Right? So whenever I see nobody come at them sideways, Michelle Ladana, I go talk about it. In a Sher case, Sher, she experienced something and she was honest enough, she was woman enough to come and speak about it and share her experience, right? A part of her story, the first part of her story, she shared, which Sher, I appreciate you so much. I felt that you was having a conversation with me. And it wasn't a live. I felt that you was talking to me. You share your story to me. I appreciate you so much for being you, for being real, for being so open, and for being so raw with us. Right? When you share a story, Mr. I'm going to tell you something, I cry. Me say, I finished doing an assignment about 2 o'clock in the morning. And coming across your video, me no sleep for about 3 hours. Me no go to my bed until about after 5 this morning. Because of how I felt it weighed heavily on me when you share your story about the miscarriage part. It's like, oh my God, you spoke about so many things. Girl, thank you very much. Thank you very much. You know what I mean? For sharing your experience. Anybody want to see her live, please me ask you no go. Me don't know if she delete it because you know the problem is now. She share her live, and the first part of the live, she spoke about her getting illegal butt injections, right? She said she was with her boyfriend for 8 years and she could not conceive, but she had done butt injections. So from 2012, she paid $1,000 US dollars for the butt injection. She said when she won the first contest, dancehall queen contest, and she got paid 1,000 US. She used that money to go and get butt injection because she said a big body that way or whatever, right? She do it, whatever. She said as time went by or whatever she did, you know, you can go and watch her video, but I'm going to just give you a little gist. What happened with the butt injection, because it's an illegal substance them put in your body, right? It's like a gel. She said the gel moved from her bum, come where her ovaries are, right? So she said she believed, based on how she construct, you know, her life and the things that she said, you know, she alludes to the fact that she strongly believes, say, that's one of the reasons why she couldn't conceive all those years. Maybe not, because the thing is, you there with a man 10-11 years and you know get pregnant, you can't get you pregnant, you understand? Or it just didn't happen for whatever reason. Maybe it's not his fault, maybe it's not your fault, maybe it's just not the time, and then when you change partner, you get pregnant, which that was the case for her. You understand? She was with the guy for 8 years, and then after they broke up, you know, they went, you know, she went on, she got into a relationship, and within like a month or 2 or something like that, she said, she got pregnant. So it could have been, it wasn't the time, maybe he wasn't your match, you know what I mean? And it could be because of the gel, but based on how she said it, maybe she had conversation with her GP, maybe them explain certain things to her, so maybe they, you know, medically, scientifically, they explain to her, say maybe that's one of the reasons.